If X, formerly Twitter, is showing error codes, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the quickest steps to troubleshoot the issue and get back online fast. This is a simple fix you can try whether the problem is on your device, your internet connection, or with X itself. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, check whether X is down globally. Open your browser and search for X status or Twitter outage. You can also use a site like Down Detector to see whether other users are reporting the same error codes. If a lot of people are affected, the issue is likely on X's side, and all you can do is wait until service is restored. If the site is not down globally, the next step is to disable any VPN you may have turned on. VPNs can sometimes trigger connection problems or make X think your login request is coming from a suspicious location. Turn off your VPN completely, then close the X app or refresh the website and try again. If the error still appears, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you are on Wi-Fi, disconnect and try using your mobile data instead. If you are already on mobile data, connect to Wi-Fi and test X again. This helps you figure out whether the problem is with your internet connection or your network provider. After switching, reload X and check whether the error code is gone. In many cases, one of these simple steps is enough to fix the problem and get X working again. So to recap, check whether X is down globally, turn off any VPN, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data until you find a connection that works. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy troubleshooting guides.